Hello. I'm taking a little break from Marduk to work on a little power armor concept I've had kicking around in my head for a while. This looks like a big mess of PVC, but it's actually quite simple, as I will explain. The power armor is going to be controlled in a similar method to Marduk's pedals for her power steering and torso rotation, by having these switches that just reverse polarity to linear actuators. And there's this neat little housing right here, which the pilot's leg or foot will be strapped to in some sort of binding. And so when you press down on it, both of these switches will be pressed down, activating the linear actuators, but it can also tilt side to side, so you can only activate one linear actuator at a time. And these switches have 3 positions: forward, neutral, and reverse. That way you can make the linear actuators that control the ankles go bigger, stay the same, or get smaller. And there's a bunch of this other stuff, like this sliding casing here. You can see that I've used some red grease on it. Other greases are available to allow it to slide easier, and I really should bolt that on. And the reason for this is because the pilot also needs to move their leg around inside of the armor leg. So, for example, if this is the armor casing, and this bit is the leg, having this carriage that allows the foot to move side to side and forward and back allows the pilot to move their leg side to side, forward and back, touching various other switches similar to these that would control the leg's movement, such as, bending the leg outwards, forward, twisting it, and even a knee bend. So it allows for lots of flexibility without much strapping in. Currently, I'm still waiting for the first batch of linear actuators to arrive. It's just 2 for this ankle. Last time I knew, they were actually in Detroit on Monday night, so who knows where they are by now, especially with this COVID thing causing a bunch of delays and stuff. So, if you do enjoy my mech content, be sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.